Kwari tariki 26 mweri wa gatandatu mwaka uyu mihango ya guthamio kwa Munyi 14 muthemba wa Black Rhino kuuma runyanjara rwa nyamu cia githaka rwa Nairobi na Naikuru ni yambiriirie. Kuria Munyi ici ciathamirio runyanjara-ini rwa nyamu rwa Tsavo ya irathiro thutha wa gukorwo ciongererekete na gikiro kinene inyanjara-ini icio cieri.
Reproduction of newborns have been very high, and that's why we decided to open a new rhino sanctuary working with WWF in Tsavo East, and we are relocating 8 from here and 6 from Naikuru National Park.
We know that it's not just about translocation. There are a number of issues involved in managing and establishing a viable population in Tsavo East National Park's new sanctuary, and part of this is equipment.
No ciumia ithatu thutha wa mihango ino kwambiriria kuri na kiha ruhonge-ini ruru Kuumana na Munyi inyanya gukua. Kuringana na riboti iria irekereirio ni minista wa ugendi guku bururi-ini Najib Balala yugite kuringana na uthuthuria uria uratafanirio ni ndagitari ya nyamu, Munyi ici irakuire Kuumana na kunyua maai mari na cumbi muingi. Balala agathie na mbere na kuga ni tuhoete uteithio wa ndagitari cia kwirugamirira kuuma guku bururi-ini na nja ya bururi nigetha tumenye wega kiria kirarire Munyi ici. Balala ni ugite maabitha aria othe mangioneka magondereire wira-ini wa uthuthuria warika ni mekuerwo ikinya ria kiwatho. Haruni Hakameme TV, mutamburuko wa mohoro, Tsavo Jenga wa Wabui.